Hello there, welcome to Blink and Beep. Thanks a lot for choosing to watch this video. In this video, we will take a look at the tire inflator that I recently got from Amazon. It's the AGARO digital tire inflator and the model number is TI2157. So before we unbox, here are some highlights. It comes with a 120 watts powerful motor. It can handle maximum pressure of up to 150 psi. It definitely is portable. Also, we get 1 year warranty. A few more highlights here. Long 4-meter cables. It has got a built-in LED light. Pretty useful during night times. 12 volt DC or 220 volts AC power supply. That there is the main reason for me to purchase this product. I will explain it in detail as we go into this video. Digital LED display and finally different units to go with like PSI, kPa, bar, kilogram per centimeter. So you could choose the unit that you would like to go with, but PSI should be more than enough for the actual purpose. The price of the product is around 3000 INR now. The product link is placed in the description. Please check it out if you are looking to buy it. Now that we have seen the highlights, I think it's time to unbox the product. And here's what we get inside the box. Our actual product, the instruction manual, the different nozzles, an additional fuse, the DC power cable and the AC power cable, the warranty card and a cool bag to keep our product within. Let's start with the first impressions. The product is sleek and lightweight. The red highlights for the handle and on the sides of the body gives it a stylish look as well. It is small enough that it would fit almost inside your palm. The dimensions are 21 centimeters in length and 15 centimeters in the width. In the bottom, we get 4 rubber stands which will hold the product in place while it is being used. On the top, we have the display along with 4 buttons, plus, minus, power and the R button. We will see them in detail with the demo soon enough. Towards the front, we have the LED light to assist us in low light conditions, and down below we have 2 sockets. One is for AC and the other one is for DC power. It also has the indications here as to say what is what, so there won't be any confusion. This actually is the advantage I saw with this product over the other inflators in this price range. This product gives you the option to use your AC power source instead of using your car's DC power source all the time. So if you are at your home and if you could manage to find a nearby AC plug point, then you can save yourself from the hassle of unlocking your car, starting the car and then inserting the DC power point for power. So you are actually saving some fuel for yourself, which definitely is an advantage. But compared to the AC power cable, the DC power cable is longer, which is 4 meters I believe. So we might have to use an extension cable in most cases if you want to use the AC power source. Now let's power it on with the AC power supply. Switching it on. There we go, the display turns on with a nice blue background color, and in the display we see a few things. First one is the target, the maximum pressure we are looking for to inflate our car tires to. Nearby we see some zeros since we haven't actually plugged the air tube to the tires. We will see how it changes when we do the actual demo. Down below we see the unit, which is right now in kilogram per centimeter square. Let me change it to PSI. To do that, I will be pressing this button that says R. Right, so now it displays PSI for the unit and the target pressure value also changes with it. Now pressing the R button again, we see the unit in bar now. Pressing it again changes to kPa, coming back to PSI. Now coming back to the target pressure, we can use the plus and minus buttons here to increase or decrease the target value. Pressing the plus button, we see the value increase. Pressing the minus button and the target decreases. So usually for the car tires we set the pressure to around 36 psi, and for the LED light we need to press the R button and hold it for 3 seconds to turn the light on. Let me do that. Here's our light. Not sure if it looks bright enough with the lights around. Let me switch them off. Now it seems to be better. This will do the job since we are going to be using this light very close to the tires anyway. Pressing the R button again. Now what's left is the power button. As soon as I press it, it will start pumping the air. You will hear how it sounds. I will show the decibel meter as well. Not sure if there will be a difference outdoors when we are actually connected to the tire. We will check that right away. We will start with AC power for one tire. Setting the target to 37 psi. Power on. Turned off automatically after reaching target. Now we will use the car's DC power source. Target pressure set to 37 psi. Power on. Turned off automatically after reaching target. That was a pretty quick top up with the car tires. So these are the other nozzles that we get with the inflator. The black ones are actually for inflatable toys. The golden one would be actually useful in certain bicycle tires. And this is the ball pump needle used for inflating the volleyball or football or those type of balls. We will see a demo of this ball pump needle nozzle now. Quick again. Now for the final demo, I will be inflating the bicycle tire from almost empty. Target pressure set to 36 psi. Power on. Again turned off after the target is reached and reached the target quicker as well. So that there was a demo with different tires and play ball. One word, satisfied. I initially had my doubt about how efficient this product is going to be, like in terms of how long it is going to take to top up the tires, but it took only few seconds to do that, and there is no time difference in AC and DC power as well, so both were the same. This definitely is a must to have, as it can save you some time and fuel. You don't have to take your car to nearby air filling places or wait in the gas stations anymore. Also, storage is not a problem. With this bag, you can place it in your car trunk and occupies very minimal space as well. You can use it anywhere, anytime. I definitely recommend this product. Like I said before, I'm completely satisfied with this purchase. Hope you will feel the same way as well. With that, we come to the end of this video. Hope this was useful and informational to you. Catch you another one. Thank you. Bye bye.